Hi, quick question. So, I lost my sense of smell, and I was wondering, like, which one you think smells better, this one or this one? It's from my mom. She picked either of those.
Excuse me. I came here for camouflage pants,
We don't have no camouflage.
but I didn't see them. Thank you. Are these gluten free? Are they gluten free? Is there gluten in here? Oh man.
It's not gonna scan.
It literally just scanned.